And then the smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
So we asked AI to clean up Sweet Brown's viral clip to see if it could sound more professional. It did not know what areas to remove, and what it did remove sounded a little hollow, but it also left artifacts. Check this out.
And then the smoke got me. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
According to the apartment manager, the fire started in a woman's home who is wheelchair bound. She was treated for smoke inhalation at a local hospital. There were no other reports of injuries.
Did you hear the small crackles in the audio? The echoes left behind? AI removed the natural element of them being outside and still managed to overcompress the audio that remained. I suppose AI cleaned up the reporter's voice pretty good, but she was in a studio when there were more elements there than just her. It removed the element of being outside on a bustling street, and it lacked warmth. So for us, AI suffered from unnatural dialogue levels and missing that human touch. So we gave our sound engineers the audio clip, we gave them 10 minutes, and no creative direction. This is why human ears and talent are better than AI algorithm. Check it out.
And then the smoke got me. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
According to the apartment manager, the fire started in a woman's home who is wheelchair bound. She was treated for smoke inhalation at a local hospital.
He's on the ground! He's on the ground!
Ain't nobody got time for that.
There were no other reports of injuries.
Well, what do you think? If you want to hear more, like, subscribe, click that notification button. We'll see you next time.